Turning keyboard text autocorrection on or off on the Pixel 9 allows you to control whether your device automatically corrects your typing or leaves it as you originally entered it, giving you more flexibility over your text input. Let's jump right in so you'll know how it's done. First, open the Settings app. On the main Settings page, scroll down and tap on System. Next, select Keyboard and then tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Since Gboard is the default keyboard, tap on Gboard. Now, go to Text Correction and find the Auto Correction option. If it's currently enabled, you can turn it off here, and if it's off, you can turn it on by toggling the switch. Once enabled, you'll also see an option called Undo Autocorrect on backspace. When this is on, if you backspace after an autocorrection, it will return the text to what you originally typed. This can be a helpful feature if you want more control over your corrections. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable autocorrection on your Pixel 9 keyboard. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave your comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.